Hey guys, in this video I will tell you about all the working gift codes in Pokémon Scarlet and Violet. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure you know how to redeem mystery gifts. Open the Poké Portal, go to Mystery Gift, and select either Get via Internet or Get with Code or Password. The Get via Internet option lets you claim the mythical Pecha Berry, which is required to obtain Pecharunt if you own the DLC. You can claim this berry now and use it later once you have the DLC. Next, use the Get with Code or Password option for active codes. Enter Rillaboom 2024 TW to receive Rillaboom. This code expires on July 21st, 2025. After that, redeem vitamins to get 2 of every vitamin item. Then use Cosmic Stones to receive multiple Evolution Stones, followed by Element Stones for additional Elemental Stones. All 3 of these codes expire on January 1st, 2026. Another active code is Paldea Picnic, which gives sandwich ingredients and expires on January 19th, 2026. You can also unlock Rotom phone cases using S-Book cover for Scarlet, V-Book cover for Violet, and Neo Rotom cover, which has no expiration. So that's basically all about the working gift codes in Pokémon Scarlet and Violet. That's it for this video. Thanks!